Hello guys, so we are back with our next question, that is mean, median and mode in data science, or we can say that how we can use mean, median, mode in data science. Okay, so let's start with the explanation. So let's start with mean. So mean is the average value around which the whole data is spread out. All the values used in calculating the mean are weighted equally. Okay. So we have the formula of mean, that is sum of all the values upon total number of values. And median is basically the middle number in an ordered data set. So guys, you need to keep one thing in your mind while calculating median, that is we should have the data set in an ordered way, that is in ascending order. Okay, and if the number of observation is even, then the median is simply the average of middle two numbers. Okay, so here is the formula, that if n is odd, then this formula would give us the middle position, and if n is even, n is the number of values. We have total number of values. So this formula would give us the middle two numbers. Okay, so if n is even, we would be calculating the average of middle two numbers, which would be giving us the median. Okay, and then there's the mode. So guys, a mode is the value that occurs most frequently in our data set. So if your data is categorical, then in that case we use mode, because it is not possible in the case of a categorical data set to calculate mean or median. Okay, so now let's understand the mean, median, mode with the examples. So suppose we have two shops, that is shop A and shop B, and this is the sales value of shop A, that is 10, 11, 15, 18, 20 and 77. And we are calculating the mean of these numbers, which would be giving us 25.7. And the mean sales of shop B is giving us 13.8. Okay, so guys, here you can observe one thing, that we don't have the we don't have that much high values in shop A, but just because of the last number that we have 77, our mean would get shoot up, right? So this is the problem with the mean. If you have a single value that is very high from the range, then our mean would get shoot up. Okay, so to deal with this value, there's come median. So let's apply the above let's apply median to the above example. So this is our data set, and this is in the ordered way, that is in the ascending order, we can see. And we have the even values, 1 2 3 4 5 6 values. Okay, so here we are just simply taking the average of middle two numbers, that is 15 and 18, and we would be getting 16.15 sorry, a 16.5 number. And the shop and the median of shop B is giving us 14. The average of middle two numbers, that is 13 plus 15 is 14. So guys, you can see one thing here, that 14 is very near to 13.8. Okay, that is mean of shop B, and 14 is median of shop B. But the median of shop A, that is 16.5, is very far from the mean of shop A. Okay, so we have the larger value here, still we are getting the moderate number out of that. So guys, to deal with such a scenario, we use median. Okay, where you have one larger number out of the range, then in that case we use median. Okay, so uh, this make more sense. All right, so then there's come mode. Mode is decided by the frequency. The value which has more frequency in dataset column is mode. Okay, so mode is used where we have the categorical variable, as I told you earlier also, because in that scenario we don't even calculate the mean or median. Okay, so suppose if we are conducting a survey and we have the answer of any xyz question as yes, no, and maybe then the mode will tell us the most frequent response. All right. The mean and median in this case can't even be calculated unless until we don't have the numeric values of that. All right. So that is mode. So here we are concluding like where to use mean median mode if we have the null values in our data set. So if the data has a symmetrical distribution, that is the Gaussian curve, the mean is often used because in the terms of Gaussian curves, most of the values would be lying around our middle value. Okay, so here we have the example of the men's height. So if we have our men height in our data set, that is probably we get the bell-shaped curve. It makes more sense to refer the middle peak of that bell because most men's height will be somewhere around that number, right? So and then there's come a median where we use median. So if in your data set your data is skewed, that is your data would be having a very long tail in one direction but not on the other direction. Okay, the median is often used here as you can see in this diagram. Okay, so suppose we have the income data set and most of the people are making around 50,000 rupees monthly, but one person is making somewhere around 3 lakh rupees per month, some executive position we can say. Then in that particular scenario we use median because of that one value of 3 lakh rupees our mean would get shoot up, right? So in this particular scenario we will use median, and for the categorical features we use mode. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.